What's going on, guys? My name is Freddie and we're back with Make It Yourself. Today we got a real easy, real quick, sweet and spicy barbecue sauce video that I really think you guys will enjoy. I will leave the full ingredient list in the description box below, so just go ahead and make sure to check that out. Real quick before we head into the video, I just want to say thank you for everybody that has been supporting, everybody that's been watching, keeping up with all these videos. It's been a real grind, and I just want to say thank you. I truly appreciate every single one of you guys. As you guys have seen, this was a ketchup based barbecue sauce. There are vinegar based, there are mustard bases. Ketchup based, I do believe, is more on the west side. So for anybody that's in the East Coast, that's down south, you guys use other variations of barbecue sauce. I do believe ketchup is a west side thing. If you want to make it spicier, if you want to make it sweeter, tangier, whatever, just do what you want. This is just like a starting point for a lot of people who have never made a barbecue sauce before. You'll see that the more that you boil it, the deeper brown you'll get. So however dark brown you want it, then that's just up to you. This kind of barbecue sauce goes great on a lot of things, as you'll see in my upcoming barbecue videos. So just make sure to stay tuned for those. But yeah, this is basically it. This is, like I said, this is a starting point for a lot of people who have never made a barbecue sauce. Hey, listen, so if you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, a comment, and if you're new to the channel, just go ahead and subscribe. Make sure we're going to keep uploading these videos. We're going to keep doing what we do. I appreciate all the support, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.